How to fix or troubleshoot common login or app issues on Toobit. If you ever have trouble logging in or Toobit app isn't working smoothly, then don't worry at all. It's usually something simple like a network issue, outdated version, or a minor cache problem. First of all, go ahead and check if your internet connection is working. Go to the top right corner and drag from the corner and tap on the Wi-Fi signal option. And you'll then be able to see if your internet is working or not. Make sure that you connect to a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between mobile data or Wi-Fi. Any public or weak networks when logging in. Avoid any public or weak networks when logging in for security reasons. You can also test your connection by opening another site, and if it loads, you are good. Now the next thing to do is to update your Toobit app. Outdated versions may cause login errors, freezing, or missing features, so go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and then in the search bar type in Toobit. Once you find the Toobit application in the search result, open it up and in the info section, check if there is an update available. If you see the update button, tap on the update and the new version will automatically download. Once it's done, launch open the app and check if the problem is solved. Then the next thing you want to do is to launch open Settings app on your Android or iOS. And on Android, go ahead and tap on Apps and open up Toobit and tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. On your iOS, scroll down from the Settings menu and tap General. Under General, click on iPhone Storage. Now, look for the Toobit application from the app list and tap on it. Once you do that, you will come across this page. Now tap on Offload app and click on Offload app once again. This will offload the application and you'll see a reinstall button after it's done. Tap on Reinstall and this will remove the cache data from the app. Right after you do that, open up your Toobit application. If you're trying to log in, always make sure to enter your correct login credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, ensure your device's time is correct. Check your SMS inbox, email, spam folder, or authenticator app for the latest code. And once you do that, you will be able to sign in. If you have enabled VPN, then make sure to disable it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes block Toobit's server if the region conflicts with platform restrictions, so turning off your VPN will help you solve the problem as well. So that way you will be able to fix minor issues on your Toobit application if you are having app issues or login issues, whichever issues you're having. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.